So his noodle is going to be hotter than mine. So let's see how this works. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Alicia Amor. I do fun vlogs, I do challenges, I do everything. So please, if you're new here, just check out the rest of my videos. Today we're gonna do the hot and spicy ramen noodle challenge. Now I ordered the ramen noodle from China or wherever the fuck it's from, and they haven't delivered it as yet, and I'm tired of waiting. So we just bought some regular Chinese noodles, and we get some regular country pepper and kind of boil it in water. I know this kind of extremely hot. I'm not too ready for this, but anyway, we're just gonna put the spicy part in there and start this challenge. Yuck. Just like seasoning. So I'm basically pouring it on the noodle like this. God, that was nasty. Oh my god. I don't think they can see what we're doing. Oh my god. I'm not excited to eat this spicy thing. And I'm mixing it up for it to get fucked. Stop saying that. He's so scared. I'm scared too, but I'm kind of just willing to do it. Oh my god. You ready?
No, I don't want to do this.
Oh my god. And guys, it really spicy. If y'all see in the clip earlier, it's like a country pepper and boil it down and so. So the challenge really is to see who can eat down all of this. Ugh. You don't put in all.
I need to put in all of it.
You need to put in all of it.
It's just seasoning. I don't want some seasoning.
It's the pepper.
Oh.
It's their added pepper. So what am I going to get it from him? Because I know I'm going to put in more effort in this than you.
Ready?
So what am I going to get if I win? Ready?
A burnt mouth. Ready? Ready?
Alright, ready. I'm gonna take my first bite. Oh my god. I hate how it smells. It smells like garlic. It's hot.
Mmm. It tastes good.
You like it? You need to put in all your sauce. You're not. No, that's cheating, yo. This is all your sauce. Yes.
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
You want some water?
Wait a minute, I can't eat off all of this.
You want some water?
No, I'm not trying to be a pussy, but I'm trying. You like it?
Sounds bad. I thought it was going to be.
You're lying. You're such a liar.
3 minutes ago, I was worried. I'd be hot, but it's not that bad. So if I win, what's gonna happen, fella? You good?
Wait.
Alright.
Yes, I'm fine. I think you cheat.
Oh, you made it.
You like it?
It's not that bad.
So, can I stop now?
No, we're eating this. No, man, don't let it cool. Let's go. Come on.
Mom, they on fire though.
Yeah, man. Come on, can do it. Let's go.
How are you liking this?
Ready? Get ready about you. Her mouth is trembling, ready? Look at that.
Wait.
Ready?
You don't have to wait until you get these out first. Hurry and eat off your side of these.
What? No? Don't put it on the onion. I remember you had the pepper in your pan.
Oh! Why are you not feeling any pepper? Oh. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh! Can you get me a rug? Like seriously, get me a rug.
Serious?
Yes, like my eyes.
You want them juice?
Maybe some water. Guys, I feel like I switched the whole thing. I'm eating this. I'm eating
You want some water for it?
this. Yes, it's really hot.
Here you go. Cold or...
Just some water, man. Hurry up. I'm still gonna beat you though. I'm not gonna be a fucking... I'm still gonna try. Yo, even my hands feel like it's shaking, yo, to put this next one in my mouth, yo. My mouth is on fire, yo. Hurry up now. I don't get how yours not burning.
Alright, let's go. Alright, ready?
Yo, my hand is shake, yo. Yo, my body is shaking, yo. Did you do something to yours?
I'm sweating shit. I thought you would make it fucking mean. I'm almost there.
Yo, now make it with me. Use my fucking rag in your mouth. I put it on my eyes.
Oh.
Fuck. Yo, man, I think you win, man.
Almost there.
We have to eat it off.
I have to?
Yeah, you just eat it. Just.
No.
I can't
no.
eat no more.
No, one more.
Like it's really hot though.
So I win?
But in order to win, you have to eat it off.
No, but I ate more than you.
No, but you still have to finish it.
But I want to eat some more.
Yo, nigga, I can't. You understand? It's like I have more pepper in mine than yours.
Oh.
It's really hot. Taste mine. It's not the same.
Yes,
You're
it is,
freaking weird.
Oh. Let's stop.
No, we're gonna finish. You don't feel mine's more spicy?
No.
You're just showing off for the camera.
Shit.
You don't want to look.
Woo.
No, my mouth is on fire.
I'm feeling it now.
See, rice is more spicy.
No, it's seeping in now. Can I stop?
It's because you had bites.
So what's different between yours and mine?
It's spicy.
Oh.
I don't know. Eat some more. Eat some more now.
No, have yours, I'll have mine. Shit, I'm sweating.
It's like it tastes nice, like when you just put it in your mouth. But then
I'm done.
But it seems it's just really hot. You don't finish. You got to finish. One of us has to finish, man. No, come on.
Ooh. Shit.
Come now. It will almost break. Come.
Oh, I'm feeling it now.
Taste bad.
No.
Just taste my one now. Just taste my one now. Oh. Yo, you have noodles. You have to take everything. No, you have to take everything.
It's finished.
No, eat the noodles. Eat everything. I'm gonna win. You done?
Mm-hmm. Woo! That was some good noodles. Oh shit, I need a swim.
Alright, let me tell you why mine is burning. Because I put some extra pepper in yours. I put the saucy pepper in it, and I really thought, did you exchange the plate?
You backfired.
You exchanged the plate.
Oh, when? You
because
are you doing it?
I put yours away. I put yours a specific way because I was going to prank you.
Can you fuck me up? Wow.
I was just gonna prank you.
When you got pranked.
Oh.
Whoa.
Yo.
So guys, that was
Can you
it.
get me some sugar?
You want
Wait,
sugar?
No, like it really a seeping and it really a burning.
Whoa.
You're nasty.
Sorry.
Oh. Alright, now you can eat it.
Woo.
So, my mouth is legit on fire. But that was our version of the spicy ramen noodle challenge. Guys, I feel like I'm gonna pass out because if one can taste a man taste right now, it's not good to do sippy cheat because it legit backfire on me. I think I ate his noodle. I've been thinking for some more but I really don't want to.
No, it's fine.
Alright, so
I told you I can't be pranked, that's what happens. It backfires. See? How it feel? How you feel?
yeah, my nose are running water.
Well, at the end of the video, I'm not sure. We'll find out.
Yo, I feel like I want to faint. Yo, no, serious.
I'm gonna get some juice. You want some?
No, the water is fine. Alright guys, so see y'all in my next video. And if you've not checked out my vlogs, please do so. I make fun vlogs and look out for new makeup tutorials as well. Please like, comment, and subscribe this video. And see you in my next video. Bye guys. Jesus.
Bye guys.
End of all.
The man's not hot, never hot. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. The girl told me take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot, never hot.